Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To connect a digi xbee cellular module to AWS IoT using mqtt, you will need to set up the xbee module to communicate over mqtt and then configure the AWS IoT service to receive messages from the module. Below is a step-by-step tutorial along with code examples to help you achieve this. Step 1, set up digi xbee cellular module. 1. Configure the digi xbee cellular module to connect to the cellular network. You can use digi xctu software for this purpose. 2. Update the firmware on the xbee module to support mqtt communication. You can find the necessary firmware updates on the digi support website. 3. Set up the xbee module to connect to your AWS IoT endpoint using mqtt protocol. You will need to configure the following parameters on the xbee module. MQTT broker address. MQTT port, usually 8883 for secure MQTT. Client ID. Username and password, if required. Topic to publish messages. Step 2, set up AWS IoT. 1. Create an AWS account if you don't have one already. 2. Set up an AWS IoT thing for your xbee module. This will involve creating a thing, attaching a certificate, and configuring policies for the thing. 3. Create and download the necessary certificates and keys for the thing. You will need the certificate, private key, and root CA certificate for secure communication. 4. Attach the policies to the thing to allow it to publish and subscribe to MQTT topics on AWS IoT. Step 3, code example. Here's an example code snippet in Python using the PAO MQTT library to connect the digi xbee cellular module to AWS IoT. Conclusion. By following the steps outlined above and using the example code provided, you should be able to successfully connect your digi xbee cellular module to AWS IoT using MQTT. Make sure to adapt the code to your specific configuration and requirements.